Hey, this is Nick. I'm over here at the M insulation table. I've noticed in the past, and people deal with it in different ways, that when we're cutting insulation, you may not necessarily get a true straight cut and maybe slightly tapered. So when Curbs and Rails went down to Chesterfield, we inherited this table. We're using it for ATO production and some M production. It wasn't long enough, so we had some extensions made for the longest cut we needed and a new measuring bar. And I went and talked to that cool guy, Tony Roman, and to get away from the tapering problem, we had a panel cut out in 1/2-inch increments. So now we can gauge all the way down it, adjust as needed by hand. Let's see. And get a true cut the entire length of the insulation. And that is our lean improvement.